G'day guys, I'm Biggest Kev. Welcome to my channel. And I'm going to be doing some more science, another science project. I've been given this ring. It's a gold ring with diamonds. One diamond's missing out of it, but I've been given this and my mate that gave it to me said, here, use this in one of your science projects. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dissolve it down. I'm going to dissolve this ring, and it is 18 karat gold, and I'm going to dissolve it down and purify it and get it down to 22 karat. So yeah, that's my little project for today, and I'll just give you a close-up of the ring. I know you're going to say, that's sacrilege, what are you going to destroy that ring for? Well, yeah, well, that was given to me, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to purify the gold and give it back to the owner. That's what I'm doing with it. So I'll collect the diamonds that are in there and dissolve the ring down, and I'll purify it down to 22 karat. And I've got my scale here, and I'll just weigh it and we'll see what it weighs. I'll just bring us in closer. Okay, so it's 2.38 grams. Yeah, so stay with me guys if you want to see the end result. Okay, I've taken all the stones out of the ring, so it's just all gold now. And here's the stones, all those little diamonds, and the gold and the diamonds, they're all going back to the owner. Okay, next I'll set up the lab. Okay guys, I've got 100 mils of distilled water in the beaker with the gold ring. I'm going to add 100 mils of hydrochloric acid, and I'll be putting in 1 spoon of potassium nitrate, and that will make our aqua regia. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. There's our aqua regia. I'll put it on the heat. I'll put a cover over the top, and then we'll leave that, and I'll get back here and I'll just show you the action. Okay, the nitric acid is chomping away on that ring really vigorously. I'll just zoom this in, give you a closer look. You can see there the acid's really getting into it. Okay guys, I'll get back to you once it's all finished. Okay, the gold has dissolved into solution, and now I'm going to put the solution through a filter. Okay, I'll get back to you once it's filtered. Okay, it's all filtered out. Next, we'll do a stannous chloride test. Stannous chloride. The solution has gone a purplish black colour. We have gold in solution. Next I'll add some urea to the solution to neutralise the acid. Okay, you can see it's all starting to fizz up. That's the urea neutralising the acid. Okay, I'll get back to you with the next procedure. Okay, the acid is neutralised. Now it's time to drop the gold out of solution, adding some sodium methylbisulfite. You can see the reaction. The solution's turned brown, which is the brown that's the gold, and it will drop out and form a mud on the bottom of the beaker. I will leave the solution to settle overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll show you the gold. Okay guys, it's the next morning and the gold has dropped out of the solution. The solution's nice and clear. I did a stannous chloride test and it come up clear. No gold in solution, so all the gold mud is sitting on the bottom of the beaker. So I'll just pour off this solution. I'll just show you the gold mud. All that mud in the bottom of the beaker, that's our gold. Next, I've got some hot water here. I'll give it a rinse in hot distilled water. I'll do this 3 times just to make sure I get all that acid out and get the acid out and any impurities that may be in the solution. Okay, I'll just finish rinsing this gold mud off, and next I'm going to boil the gold mud in some hydrochloric acid just to finish cleaning it off, and then I'll be smelting it or melting it into a little bead. Okay, there's the gold mud in the crucible. I'll put that inside the furnace and we'll smelt it down into a little gold bead. Hopefully it'll be close to 2 grams. There it is. I'll fire up the furnace and we'll melt it down. There it is, guys. Oh. Right. I hope you can see that. I'll put it in the palm of my hand. There it is. And that should be around 22 carats now. It was 18 carats. Now it's about 22. Okay, the weigh-in. It was over 2 grams, that gold ring. We'll see what it weighs now. 1.66 grams. Okay, and that'll be about 22 carat now. Well guys, wasn't that cool? Yeah, so at what was it, 2.3, I think it was 2.3 grams, that ring. And after refining it, we recovered 1.64 grams of gold. Yeah, pure, well not pure, but it'll be around 22 carat, because I've done that before with my gold, same process. And when I've sold it, when they looked at it under the x-ray, it was 22 carat. Yeah, so most of the gold that I've refined and I've sold is around 22 carat. So I'm guessing that button that I just refined is 22 carat. Yeah. Okay, so that's going to my mate Greg. Greg kind of gave me that ring to play around with my science project. Yeah, and thanks a lot, Greg, and when you're ready, mate, if you're watching this video, you can come and pick it up. It's all ready to go. Greg and his wife Michelle just got back from prospecting just recently, and they damaged the tyre on their camper trailer, so he's got to replace the tyre. So that gold button, Greg, that'll pay for a new tyre, mate. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it guys, that's about all I've got to say. Thanks for watching my videos, thanks for subscribing to the channel, giving me the thumbs up. I appreciate yous all. Cheers. It's a bit early in the morning for a beer. We're into spring weather now, blue skies, the days are getting longer, back out bush shortly, and I'll be doing more videos out bush, and yeah, hopefully I can find some decent gold out there. Yeah, wouldn't that be good? Okay guys, cheers, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.